Here on the phone line, we have a special guest, always leaving the phone line open for him with the updates and information. Good morning, Mayor Mike Victorino.
Good morning, Shane, and aloha to all the people of Maui County.
Hey, having a great day today. It's beautiful outside. What news
is.
do you have for us today, Mayor?
Well, again, we had two cases yesterday, as reported, and one of those cases came from a Lanai resident who's been here since, I think, early March, and it's shown that she contracted the coronavirus here in Maui County. So Lanai still shows as 0 cases for that island. So I want the people over there to feel comfortable that there's no cause for alarm. This lady has been here for quite a while. She's an elderly lady, and we believe it's part of the cluster at the hospital. And yesterday I had an opportunity to tour the hospital to see the upgrades and changes they've made. I was quite pleased at what I saw, but the proof is in the pudding, and we're going to work hard. They're working hard to make sure you will be safe if and when you need to go to the hospital, whether it's the ER or any other services provided by our hospital. And I hope we can get confidence back into the community and to all the working staff, medical as well as non-medical staff there at Maui Memorial. But I think I know they've walked in the right direction, making corrections.
I agree too. And how is the morale? Did you sense the morale from our workers there? Because, they're always on alert. They're at the front lines, and it's always high alert for them there, right?
And I really didn't get much chance to speak to the staff. Everybody's busy.
Yes.
And so, no, I did not. But I know the morale was fairly low for a while. Mm-hmm. Hopefully it's improving. And all the changes they've made, the amount of PPEs they have now, hopefully will, get everybody's anxieties in the... you're going to always have anxieties, let's be honest. They're the frontline heroes. They're treating us as we come in sick, whether it's COVID-19 or any other disease or injury. So I want to say a big shout-out to them. And when you see them, ladies and gentlemen, throughout the county of Maui, you see any of our first responders, medical corps people, nurses, doctors, whomever, say thank you and mean it, because they continuously save lives each and every day throughout our county, throughout our state, and throughout our nation.
Speaking of PPE, Mayor, are we still having those available, especially the masks?
We're still having some challenges in getting enough. However, like everything else, the supplies have it caught up. It has caught up with what they needed. And so I feel that they're in good position right now, in a very good position. However, if there was an outbreak or anything else went wrong, they'd be stressed to get enough PPEs. Mm-hmm. But right now they have a good inventory, and I think the hospital, along with most facilities, including the county, we're okay at this point in time.
Good. Because that has been a concern nationwide of getting sufficient supplies, medical supplies, to the different hospitals.
Well, the demand was worldwide, so let's be very honest.
True.
And so it's put a real stress on the manufacturers, and many of them were manufactured in China. And when China shut down, it really affected the chain of supply. Mm-hmm. And so, I again, as I said earlier, we're good. I think we're okay right now, and I pray no outbreak occurs and that we stay that way.
That's true. Mayor, you have your press conference this afternoon, and when I first heard of the possibilities of maybe renewing or opening up, like maybe the golf courses or other beach parks, inside me it's kind of the urgency to go, oh yes, but this is definitely not letting our guard down.
Absolutely. We follow different models. The John Hopkins model. We've looked at what Harvard and some other universities and other think tanks have put together as far as an approach to recovery, the new normalcy as we talk about.
Yeah.
And, public health has to be the priority, making sure that that's the top of the chain, followed by community, that our communities open up with some resiliency put in there. And, of course, the economic part. The economy is important. That's the triangle that needs to be put together. And we're following very closely the guidelines from CDC and the State Department of Health. I have Dr. Miller and his group who advises me, Dr. Pang also. We have a lot of what I call qualified experts out there that are giving me good advice along with my team. I have a great team up here for various areas of our community. I feel very good. What we roll out, and when we roll it out, it will be safe, it will be methodical, and it will have hopefully resilient effects. In other words, I don't want to roll something out and 2 weeks later close it up.
Yeah.
It could happen, but I'm trying my best not to make that occur.
Well, it's been a real challenge for you and the mayor's department, the office, in trying to find balance in, staying safe, staying within the guidelines, and still, catering to the culture and the lifestyle that we all know here in Hawaii.
Yes, very, very difficult. But that's the balance the good Lord put in my hands,
Yes.
and I'm doing my best. And I just hope everyone understands out there that what we do is not to hurt, but to help ensure the future of your family, friends, the community at large, and more importantly, that when we come out of it, we come out of it stronger than we went in.
And together, for sure. Maui strong.
And together, absolutely. Maui strong.
Awesome. Well, we'll be waiting for your press conference this afternoon, Mayor Mike Victorino. Thanks for the call. You know the number.
You got it. Aloha. God bless you all. And to the people of Maui County, stay safe and stay healthy.
Yes, Maui strong.